of purpose, opening of bids, and PD conference. So, in PD conference works. Today is June 2, 2026. So, we have contract ID 26J0033, 26J0034, 26J0050, 26J0057, 26J0064, 26J0065, 26J0070, 26J0074, 26J0076, 26J000122, 26J0123, 26J0127, 26J0167, 26J0168, 26J0169, and so so our agenda today is the opening of bids for goods and services. So let's proceed. So please be informed that our proceeding are being live streamed via our YouTube channel, the page of Aklan DEO Procurement. So in addition, the funding source of this full value procurement and negotiated procurement under GAA 2026. So therefore, the contracts will be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidders upon the release of the budget allotted for the Alaminos project. So we have PR number 2026-05-0068 and PR number 2026-05-0069. So before we start, we officially just have an open prayer to lead by Nabas.
Let us pray. Lord, thank you for this wonderful time as we gather in your name, as we conduct our pre-bid conference and bidding process. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to understand and follow the government procurement reform plan to achieve the objectives of this undertaking. Creating us, Lord, to be centered, more dedicated, and committed to our duties and responsibilities. Teach us to be more responsive to the demands of integrity public office. This we ask through your Son, Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen. God the Son, Holy Spirit.
So, thank you, Marla. So, for the determination of Polo and Polo
once again supporting. Today we are conducting the opening of bids for goods and services at the same time that we will conference for civil works. Before we proceed, let's have all of our members over the president today. Let's start from our chairperson, Senator Sinati. Our vice chairperson, Barangay. However, it's not around. It's an emergency meeting. So let's call in our regular members and Joey Oreta.
Present.
Our two additional members, Dr. Bawang Marla,
Present.
and Secretary Alcido. So out of 5 for the present today, still I can again that there is a quorum and our activities today are proceed. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Ray Bermejo. So, since there is a forum, we will proceed for the opening of bids for goods and services, and then afterwards, we have a pre-bid for civil works. Now, may I request the Bank Secretariat to open the boxes so we can begin the receiving of documents.
Kaya ko ang balik ay nagtayo ng konfirmation. Marami. Ada so ready.
Kanya. Bilis siya dito.
maging video natin sa umabot. Buot lang.
So, again, good morning. Since the preliminary requirements have been met, let us now proceed with the reading of the financial bidding documents. Ma'am Marla.
Good morning, everyone. Here is the result of the bids bidding for goods and services. Now, value for procurement. For PR number 2026-05-0068, procurement of uniforms and personal protective equipment for maintenance office and field personnel of Aklan District Engineering Office. ABC is 445,078 pesos and 10 centavos. First bidder, PI Industrial Equipment Trading. Total amount of bid is 329,500 pesos. Next bidder, FGS Bacolod OPC. Total amount of bid is 367,200 pesos.
Nalbo project under PR number 2026-05-0069. Procurement of various spare parts for heavy equipment and service vehicle assigned in the maintenance section. Plan DEO with the ABC of 246,900 pesos. We have allowed Peter and Q Enterprises.
Impute variance and goods taron related to variance at SBP.
A correction under PR number 2026-05-0069. We have a long leader. Thank you, Pedro. We have Golden Runner, Personal, and Corporation with the total amount of bid of 229,225 pesos. No discount for another project under contract AD number 26GGA04. Purchase of asphalt cement, penetration grade 6070 asphalt cement, penetration grade 85-100, and emulsified asphalt unit CS1. Repair and maintenance and rehabilitation of national roads and bridges, Aklan East Road, Jaime Cardinal Cid Avenue, Altavas Road, Libas Road, and Bypass Road, Aklan West Road, and Ibay and Tiki Boundary Road within the jurisdiction of the previous Aklan District Engineering Office. We have with the ABC of 2,019,833 pesos and 20 centavos. We have a long bidder. Thank you, Federal Prices, with the total amount of bid 2 million pesos only, no discount offered.
So once again, please be reminded that all bids announced today are still subject to detailed evaluation and post qualification. So are there any further clarification or questions for these goods and services?
None.
So there's none. Our opening of bids for goods and services is provided. Sorry. So let's proceed for the pre-bid conference for federal works. So again, may I request the representative from the planning design sections to briefly present the scope of work and technical details of the project.
Good morning, everyone. For the first project, 26GA003, construction of road station 0+000 to station 0+400, Barangay Lalab, Batan, Aklan, with the ATC amount of 4,736,160 pesos. Project duration is 50 calendar days. Construction of road with a length of 0.89 km, 5 meter width of PCCT with shoulder. Showing the contour, the location, the geohazard, and the vicinity maps. Next is the summary of quantities. The typical road section. 26GA004, construction of road station 0+000 to station 0+410, Barangay Libas, Banga, with the ABC amount of 4,736,160 pesos. Project duration is 58 calendar days. Completing of road with a total length of 0.82 km, 4 meter width of PCCP with 0.23 meter thickness and 0.5 meter shoulder on both sides. Showing the vicinity, the contour, the geohazard maps, and the topographical layout. Next is the summary of quantities. The typical road sections. 26GA0050, construction of road station 0+000 to station 0+285, Barangay Solido, Nabas, with ABC amount of 4,736,160 pesos. Project duration is 90 calendar days. Completing of road with a total length of 0.578 km for section 1, 0.218 km, 4 meter width of PCCP with 0.23 meter thickness, 0.5 shoulder both sides, and a drainage with a length of 70 meter both sides. For section 2, 0.26 lane kilometer, remove and replace with a length of 0.29 lane kilometer, 40 meter width of PCCP with 0.23 meter thickness and 0.5 meter shoulder for both sides. Showing the contour, the vicinity, the location, and the geohazard maps. The typical cross sections. The detail of drainage. The detailed plan for the PCCP. 26GA0057, construction completion of multipurpose building covered court, Barangay Alaminos, Madalag, coordinates 11.551, with the ABC amount of 2,970,000 pesos. Project duration is 90 calendar days. For the project description, removal of existing bleacher and canopy structures, construction of 6 columns extended to the existing columns, RCP and steel beams for both sides, embankment elevation of 0.30 meter, 3-tier bleachers along the entrance only, installation of tubular bars as side covers, roof cladding, gutter, flashing, and downspout for both sides, roofing along the apex only equivalent to 234 square meters, painting works and plastering works. Showing the contour, the geohazard, the vicinity, and the location maps. The perspectives and site development. The ground floor plan. The front and the rear elevations. The typical side elevation and the schedule of window. 26GA0064, construction completion of multipurpose building Barangay Hall, Barangay Odiong, Altavas, with coordinates 11.53861, 122.469956, with the ABC amount of 2,970,000 pesos. Project duration is 120 calendar days. For the project description, the construction of 2-story building Barangay Hall, 0.9 meter thickness, embankment works, completing works of 11 units, column and footing, 26 units of beams, 242 square meters of slab, 212.57 square meters of masonry works for the ground floor only, with plumbing and electrical works, roughing ins only, including all necessary accessories in accordance with the drawing and the specification. Showing the the summary of quantities. The front elevation, the rear elevation, the ground floor plan, and the second floor plan. 26GA0065, construction completion of multipurpose building Barangay Tambak, Washington, Aklan, with coordinates 11.662296, 122.422651, with ABC amount of 2,970,000 pesos. Project duration is 90 calendar days. For the project description, completion of multipurpose covered court, installation of 68.92 square meters, roof cladding at grid 7 of the covered court, 52.10 by 17 meter concrete pavement, continuation of finishing works on stage with viewing deck, construction of 1 unit basketball fiberglass board set with ready-made basketball ring with complete accessories, construction of 2 units of the 1-tier and 1 unit of 2-tier concrete bleacher, demolition of plant boxes along grid A of the covered court. Showing the perspective, the location, and the vicinity maps. Next is the contour and the geohazard maps. The floor plan of covered court. The front, the rear, and right side and left side elevations. The ground floor plan and the second floor plan for the stage. The front elevation and the rear elevation of stage. The right side, left side, and the section details of the 2-story building. 26GA0070, construction of multipurpose building Barangay Polo, Washington, Aklan, coordinates 11.635377, 122.447690 with the ABC amount of 4,950,000 pesos. Project duration is 85 calendar days. For the project description, concrete works for the ground and second floor area, including third floor slab, beams and canopies, works in toilet areas, kitchen counter and ground floor, main floor, plastering works in interior and exterior wall, ground and second floor door and windows, stair and balcony rings, sanitary and plumbing works including septic tank, and ground floor interior and exterior painting works and electrical works. Showing the location, contour, the vicinity, and the geohazard maps. Next is the perspective and the site development plan. The ground floor plan. The second floor plan. The third floor plan. The front elevation. The rear elevation. The left side and the right side elevations. 26GA0074, construction of multi-purpose building covered court Ortega Integrated School, ID 500174, Barangay Ortega, Libas, Aklan, with the ABC amount of 6,930,000 pesos. Project duration is 160 calendar days. Project description, the construction of 40 units of columns and footings, an embankment of 0.35 meter from the natural ground line, 0.1 thick floor slab, and 12 units of roof beams. The roofing consists of 720 square meters of pre-painted metal sheets supported by 6 units of full trusses, 6 units of center strut beams, 12 units of middle strut beams, and 12 units of side strut beams. Additionally, the project includes plastering, painting works, and electrical works. Showing the contour and the geohazard maps. Next are the perspectives, the location, and the vicinity maps. The floor plan. The front and the right side elevations. The left side and the rear elevations. 26GA0076, construction completion of multi-purpose building Barangay Alaminos, Lezo, Aklan, with the coordinates 11.676233, 122.297866. ABC amount is 1,980,000 pesos. Project duration is 90 calendar days. For the project description, construction of 5 sets of footing and columns, 4 sets of tie beams, intermediate beams, and roof beams, full wall footing and floor slab with an area of 0.24 square meters, construction and erection of 4 and 6 inches concrete hollow block walls, rendering and finishing of plastering and painting works, fabrication and erection of 5 sets of full truss, installation of metal roofing sheets with an area of 68 square meters, installation of fascia flashing with a length of 32 meters and gutter with a length of 97 meters long, and installation of 5 units of downspouts. Showing the contour, the geohazard, the vicinity, and the location maps. Next are the perspectives. The floor plan, the front and the left side elevations, the right side and the rear elevations. 26GA0122, construction of multi-purpose building Linayasan Elementary School with school ID 1143-635 in Barangay Linayasan, Altavas, Aklan, with coordinates 11.535825, 122.455793. ABC amount of 4,950,000 pesos. Project duration is 150 calendar days. Project description, construction of multi-purpose building, construction of 40 units of footing 1 and column 1, 2 units of column 2 and footing 2, 12 units of RB1, FB1, TB1, 1 unit of RB2, FB2, and TB2, 60.5 meters of wall footing, 4 spans of roofing equivalent to 635.31 square meters of pre-painted metal sheets with 6 units of full truss, 5 units of center strut beams, 10 units of middle strut beams, 10 units of side strut beams with flashing and gutter. Showing the contour, the geohazard, the location, and the vicinity maps. Next is the perspective and the location map. The floor plan, the front and the rear elevations. The right side and left side elevations as well as the sections. 26GA0123, Aklan East Road, kilometer 0295 plus 880 to kilometer 0296 plus 767, kilometer 0298 plus 817 to kilometer 0299 plus 224, kilometer 0313 plus 000 to kilometer 0314 plus 827, kilometer 0315 plus 919 to kilometer 0316 plus 670, kilometer 0317 plus 927 to kilometer 0318 plus 000, with the ATC amount of 96,660,765 pesos. Project duration is 261 calendar days. Reblocking with a total length of 7.84 km with pavement markings. Showing the contour, the liquefaction hazard, the location, and the earthquake-induced landslide hazard maps. The straight line diagram. The typical road sections. 26GA0127, Aklan West Road, Kaliputo, Nabas, kilometer 0253 plus 120 to kilometer 0254 plus 220, with the ABC amount of 39,123,560 pesos. Project duration is 173 calendar days. Construction of drainage structure along National Road, both sides with a total length of 2,174 linear meters. Showing the vicinity, the location, the contour, and the geohazard maps. Next is the summary of quantities. The typical cross sections, the straight line diagram, the detail of drainage, and detailing point. 26GA0167, rehabilitation or repair of Aklan West Road, S00324 PM, kilometer 0266 plus 060, kilometer 0266 plus 216, Aklan West Road, S00324 PM. The ABC amount of 2,546,148.94 pesos. Project duration is 30 calendar days. Rehabilitation road with a total length of 0.312 lane kilometer, 6.25 meter width, and 300 millimeter thickness of PCC, including installation of thermoplastic marking, separation, and broken wheels. Showing the contour, the geohazard, the vicinity, and the location maps. Next is the straight line diagram. The typical joint details and the pavement plan. The typical road section. 26GA0168, repainting of Napaan Bridge B00095 PN, Baluspos Bridge 1 B00097 PN, Eco Bridge B00511 PN, and Santander Bridge B00512 PN, Aklan West Road S00480 PN, with the ABC amount of 2,186,683.30 pesos. Project duration is 30 calendar days. Repainting of bridges, Napaan Bridge B00095 PN, Baluspos Bridge 1 B00097 PN, Tigong Bridge B00511 PN, and Santander Bridge B00512 PN, including installation of thermoplastic markings, solid yellow line, and edge line, and installation of load limits along Aklan West Road S00480B. Showing the location and the maps. Next are the straight line diagram. The straight line diagram, the front elevation and rear elevation of Baluspos Bridge 1. The straight line diagram, the front and rear elevation of Santander Bridge. The straight line diagram, front and rear elevation of Tigong Bridge. and a straight line diagram and front elevation of the Paan Bridge. The perspective and the spot detail of the Paan Bridge. The elevation and plan and the detail of installation. 26G80169 installation of road safety devices and application of thermoplastic pavement markings along Aklan West Road S00324 PN, kilometer 0234 plus negative 905 to kilometer 0275 plus 659, and Aklan West Road S00480 PN, kilometer 0234 plus negative 933 to kilometer 0282 plus 172. Aklan West Road S00324 PN and Aklan West Road S00480 PN with the ABC amount of 1,683,654.10 pesos. Duration is 30 calendar days. Installation of road safety devices, warning sign, 10 sets of warning signs, W6 W6 1B, 10 sets of regulatory sign R68B, 10 sets of warning sign W13B, 6 sets of warning signs W59C, and 4 sets of warning sign W42C, including application of thermoplastic markings, pedestrian crossing. Showing the contour, the jail hazard, the vicinity, and the location maps. Next is the detail for warning signs. Another detail for the warning signs. The refractorized thermoplastic pavement marking detail plan. That's all. Thank you.
So thank you from the representative of the planning and design section. So let's go to the ITB or instruction to bidders. So the Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, Aklan District Engineering Office, through its bids and awards committee, now invites bids of the Aklan procurement project. Bidders should have completed within 10 days from the date of submission and receipt of a contract similar to the project. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in the Section 2 Instruction to Bidders or ITB. Number 1, bidding procedures. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criteria as specified in the implementing rules and regulations of IRR of RA number 12009 New Government Procurement Act. Bidding is restricted to Filipino citizen or sole proprietorship, cooperatives and partnerships, organizations with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to citizens of the Philippines, citizens or organizations of the country whose laws grant similar rights or privileges to Filipino citizens pursuant to RA number 183 for goods, services when applicable. Number 2, availability of bidding documents. Interested bidders may obtain further information from DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo Aklan. Office hours Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired from May 26, 2026 to June 15, 2026 from the address below upon payment of the applicable fee pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPD. For goods and services, the fee for the bidding document shall be 5,000 pesos. The bidding documents may also be downloaded free of charge from the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PhilGIPS and the website of the procuring entity, provided that the applicable fee shall be paid not later than the submission of bids. Number 3, a pre-bid and opening of bids conference. The DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office will hold a pre-bid and opening of bids conference, back conference room, 10 a.m. DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office. The conference shall also be live streamed via www.youtube.com/@dpwh Submission and opening of bids. Bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat through manual submission at the office address indicated below or electronic submission for civil works if applicable via email address, email at electronic bids underscore Aklan at dpwh.gov.ph. The deadline of submission is on June 15, 2026 at 10 p.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITV Clause 16 or ITV Clause 16.1 as applicable. Bid opening shall be on June 15, 2026. Immediately after the deadline for submission of bids at the back conference room, DPW's Aklan District Engineering Office, and or via electronic bid submission, bids will be opened in the presence of bidders representative who choose to attend. Contractor registration for civil works. Contractors who wish to participate in civil works bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application on CWA at the DPWH Procurement Service PRS 5th floor DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. Eligibility shall be determined using the DPWH Contract Profile Eligibility Process or CPEP and subject to further post-qualification. Registration requirements. Pursuant to GPPB Resolution Number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain the following eligibility documents in GIPS. A. Registration certificate or SEC TTI registration. B. Mayor's or business permit or equivalent documents. C. Tax clearance. D. TCAB license and registration for civil works. E. Audited financial statements. And here is the checklist for civil works technical component of the bid. And here is the financial component of the bid. Balik ka. Ini zoom mo. Tagbo na tayo. So, notes, any missing, complete or patently insufficient document in the above mentioned checklist is ground for outright rejection of the bid. Next. For goods and services, the technical component of the bid and financial component of the bid. Furthermore, the bid's minimum equipment specification, including the location of the same equipment at the time of the bidding, shall be in accordance with the DPWH Department Order Number 9, Series of 2012, and the Department Order Number 58, Series of 2012. Please refer to the DPWH DEO 11 Series of 2017 for the minimum number of testing equipment and DPWH DEO 127 Series of 2018. Strict application of RA 12009 in the conduct of post-qualification of bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. So please refer to the DPWH DEO 253 Series of 2003 for the accreditation of asphalt and portal cement complete patching plan. Yeah, so during the post-qualification stage, the technical working group or TWG validates and verifies all the statements made by the documents submitted by the bidder with the lowest calculated bid or LCB. The evaluation uses a non-discretion or pass of faith criterion. If a bidder is found non-compliant with any of the mandated DOs, it approves to have the technical or legal capacity to the projects, leading to automatic post disqualifications. For DO 9 and DO 58, sales of 2012, bidders must reach the minimum equipment required and accurately state its exact location at the time of bidding. during the post-qualification, the DW conducts physical inspections of the basic equipment. If the equipment is not found at the declared location, is not in good working condition, or fails to meet the minimum capacity specified in the bidding documents, the bidder fails the technical requirements. For DO11, series of 2017, contractor must own or have dedicated access to the minimum material testing equipment required for the project's quality. If the post-qualification inspections reveals that contractor's laboratory lacks the required number of units, or if the testing equipment is substandard, uncalibrated, or missing, the bidder will be disqualified for lacking the technical capacity to ensure the project quality. For D1 to 7, 2018, mandates the strict application of RA 9184 or the 12009 regarding bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DWH. The technical working group or heavily scrutinize the bidder's performance history. A bidder will be automatically post-disqualified if verification reveals any of the following due to the contractor's fault. The negative slippage incurring a negative slippage of 15% or more in a single ongoing DPWH projects, or a negative slippage of 10% or more in two or more ongoing DPWH projects. And also, if the bidder has incurred liquidated damages on previous or ongoing projects, the imposition of LD means the contractors breach the contract by failing to complete the project within the approved time frame. This is definitive red flag demonstrating a lack of reliability and technical capacity to deliver new projects on time. For DO 253 series of 2003, any asphalt or Portland cement concrete patching plant to use for the project must be duly accredited by the DPWH. If the bidder bridges a batching plant with their own orders that does not have a valid current DPWH certificate or accreditation at the time of post-qualification, the bidder is disqualified. Unaccredited plants are not permitted to supply materials to DPWH projects. So, also, the submission or the drafting of the bid documents. So, physical submission or drafting of bid documents into the designated bid box must be performed strictly by the contractor's authorized liaison officer. Furthermore, this liaison officer must be duly registered and present a valid contractor's registration certificate or CRC, or her official registered DPWH ID upon submission. The Bids and Awards Committee or BAC and the BAC Secretariat strictly monitor the identity of the individuals submitting the documents to prevent unauthorized tampering or representation. If the individuals attempting to draft the bid is not the officially registered liaison officer, or if he failed to present a registered CRC, the BAC Secretariat will outright refuse to accept the bid documents. Consequently, the contractors will be barred from participating in the bidding for that specific project. So next. So here is the forms of the Department Order 58 series of 2014 2012. So, failure of the prospective bidder to state and complete technical descriptions of the blades equipment and the specific locations, whether owned, leased, or under purchase agreement, shall result in the bidder's automatic post disqualification for award of contract and for features of its bid security. There's the Department Order 11 Series of 2017, the list of contractors' major construction and laboratory equipment unit to be assigned to the contract supported by certifications of availability. So, atas are copies of sales invoice or registration from certificate from LDO. Attached are the certification from the leasers that the equipment units under B or lease shall be available for this contract, or attached are certification from the vendors that the equipment units under C purchase agreement shall be available for this contract. There's the Department Order number 9, series of 2012. So once again, good morning again. So we will now open the floor to our prospective bidders. Are there any questions, clarifications, or concerns regarding the project details, bidding documents, or procurement timeline, and for the instruction to bidders?
None.
So there's none. So our private conference for the civil works today is hereby adjourned. Thank you everyone and good morning.